welcome back to the channel. This loud and dirty bathroom fan has been streaking long enough. It's time to clean it up and cover it up. For cleaning it, first we unplug it for safety, then I used a vacuum with a brush attachment, a wire brush, a soft bristle brush, and Q-tips to get all the dust and debris out. Repeat as necessary because as you can see, it was a dirty job, but I'm excited for it to be cleaned and covered. I mean, wow, just look at that difference. Anyway, that's not what this channel is about, so onto the project to cover it up. First, setting the boundary of the fan housing, then getting a quick lesson about airflow from my partner. I came up with this design, and I extruded the faces and filleted the edges to complete the look. Now to get it in the slicer and to the printer. Printing took about 9 hours, but completely happy with how it turned out. It's finally time to get this cover put up. Shout out to my partner for pre-drilling the holes for me on his work break so I could finish putting the cover on. I like doing projects like this. It makes the fan sound so much better and adds some uniqueness to feel my happy, as you can see. What do you think? Is this something you'd put up, or what would you do differently? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more 3D printed creations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.